Every morning as the sun rises over the African plain, an impala awakens, and so does a lion. If the impala does not outrun the lion, it will die. And if the lion does not overtake the impala, it will starve. So whether you're hunting or being hunted, when the sun rises over the African plain, you had better be running. Because in Africa, the moment you lose your edge, you lose your head. Through the years, Tractionel Enterprise has proven that we are both willing and able to adapt to ever-changing markets and will strive not to follow, but to remain one step ahead of our competitors and remain the market leaders in our field of expertise. With a track record spanning over 3 decades, Tractionel Enterprise is considered to be one of the leading electrical infrastructure companies in South Africa. Our head office is based in Roodepoort, Gauteng, with regional offices throughout Southern Africa and international offices to follow suit. Our vibrant team consisting amongst others of professional engineers, project managers, schedulers, health and safety practitioners, quality assurance officers, and environmental practitioners put us in the unique position where we can provide our clients with complete turnkey solutions starting at the design stage of a project all the way through to the successful commissioning and handover thereof. This is all done to the highest local and international standards. Our design team is fully equipped with the latest design software technology, including the ability to run computer-aided simulations of designs. Most of our engineers are registered with the Engineering Council of South Africa and the South African Institute of Electrical Engineers. Key personnel are in possession of valid high voltage safety regulation certificates, which are renewed every 3 years. All electrical installations are overseen by registered staff in accordance with the Occupational Health and Safety Act, the Mine Health and Safety Act, and other relevant legislation. Tractionel provides a comprehensive EPC and EPCM solution, short for Engineering, Procurement, Construction, and Management, and caters for accurate front-end loading analysis from FEL1 to FEL4. Our clients' unique requirements are addressed by any one or a combination of 4 dedicated business units, each with its own manager. These business units are Power Solutions, Rail Solutions, Support Services, and Commercial Services. Power Solutions consists of 3 divisions, being Network Infrastructure, Substations, and Mining and Minerals. The Network Infrastructure division is responsible for the design, supply, testing, and commissioning of transmission lines on wooden, steel, concrete, or lattice structures up to 132 kilovolts. This is done strictly in accordance with the Code of Practice for overhead power lines for conditions prevailing in South Africa, as is required by Eskom, municipalities, and mining houses. Our Network Infrastructure division has extensive experience in the supply and installation of MV and LV cables up to 66 kilovolts. We were one of the first contractors in South Africa to have installed the new generation 33 kilovolts, 185 square millimeters copper single core XLPE cable, a landmark project undertaken for City Power Johannesburg. We verify and certify installations in accordance to SANS 10142/1 as dictated in the Occupational Health and Safety Act. The division further undertakes the supply, installation, and commissioning of overhead and underground medium and low voltage reticulation networks, house service connections, and upgrading of existing networks, and has successfully completed numerous township electrification projects for Eskom, municipalities, township developers, Lesotho Electricity Corporation, and Botswana Power Corporation. We are especially proud of our involvement with Eagle Canyon Golf Estate, Liloko Lifestyle Estate, Serengeti Golf and Wildlife Estate, Irene Country Estate, Sable Hills Estate, and South Downs Estate, to mention but a few. We erect medium and high lighting mast structure and street lights on a regular basis. A landmark project is the successful commissioning of street and exit lighting of Constitutional Hill in Johannesburg, a Blue IQ project. The substation division is growing from strength to strength and has successfully commissioned various projects complete with switchgear and auxiliary equipment across South Africa and Lesotho. We are proud to have been awarded an open-ended contract by Eskom to construct and commission various substations on an as and when required basis. With our strategic partnerships with specialist engineering companies and our own experienced professional engineers, we can undertake both indoor and outdoor turnkey substation projects to clients' requirements. Other services include substation layouts and profiles, basic and detailed protection philosophy designs, protection scheme design, protection evaluations, switchgear and control gear designs, relay selection, design and configuration of digital protection relays, testing and commissioning assistance, electrical specification reviews, and tender evaluations. Our newly established Mining and Minerals Division is the result of continuous requests by clients and mining houses to venture into this niche market. With our strong knowledge base, the formation of the division came as a natural evolution of existing resources and skills. Our Rail Solutions business unit is widely acknowledged as the local market leader in the design, supply, construction, testing and commissioning of 3 kV direct current, 25 kV alternating current and 50 kV alternating current railway electrification projects. This business unit houses the OHTE or OCDS division, the Traction Substation division and Trolley Line division. Tractionel Enterprise prides ourselves at having completed the contract for the electrification of the Gautrain Rapid Rail Link from Mbombela, the largest railway project of its kind in Africa. Tractionel Enterprise was responsible for the design, supply, construction, testing and commissioning of the Overhead Contract Distribution System, OCDS in short. The contract was secured in the face of stiff competition from 4 other rail electrification companies, 2 of them based overseas. Despite various challenges, Tractionel managed to deliver a world-class project within the time frame and budget set by the client, with the electrification of the first phase being completed in record time for the Soccer World Cup hosted by South Africa in 2010. The total system became operational in August 2011. During the construction phase, employees were consistently reminded that they are not merely partaking in just another construction project, but that they are building a legacy for generations to come, showcasing what can be achieved if government and the private sector join hands for the benefit of all role players. In a first of its kind for Africa, a conductor rail system supplied by Ferrer & Frey was installed in the tunnels. Ferrer & Frey is a Swiss company and is represented in South Africa by Tractionel Enterprise. Besides the Ferrer & Frey agency, Tractionel Enterprise is also an authorized representative of Swiss-based Arthur Fleury, a company specializing in overhead line accessories and equipment. With these international affiliations, our clients are assured of the latest and best rail electrification solutions at all times. Other major clients include Transnet, Prasa, BHP Billiton, the Anglo Group, Implats, Exaro, Esmang, and many more. The Tractionel team is highly qualified and great emphasis is placed on team development and training. This has led to the establishment of the TETA and MESETA accredited Palliser Rail Academy in 2007. Palliser, meaning star, is reminiscent of our vision to train the star achievers of tomorrow.
Tractionel is a BE compliant entity. We are currently on level 4, BE contributor. In terms of our skills development, we have a huge capacity within the company where we have trained more than 30 linesmen. Therefore, we're a company that can be able to deliver in whatever projects that are there in the market.
Over the years, Tractionel Enterprise has won various accolades including Best Performance in Maintenance by City Power, an award for exceptional service by Eskom, and a nomination as one of South Africa's top empowered companies by Impumelelo. Our support service unit is amongst others responsible to manage our quality assurance and environmental management programs, as well as our health and safety policies. We have embarked on an intensive program to increase awareness of these programs, and our aim is to become ISO certified in all 3 these disciplines by 2012. Tractionel Enterprise is the proud owner of a diverse range of vehicles, plant and equipment, ranging from LDVs, backhoe loaders and truck-mounted cranes, to fully imported road rail vehicles, and a maintenance overhead machine, or MOM in short. Tractionel Maintenance Services is a wholly owned subsidiary of Tractionel Enterprise. It was registered in 2010 with the aim of providing complete managed maintenance solutions to clients. These services ranges from routine or ad hoc surveys to fully fledged managed solutions customized to clients' needs and budgets, without compromising on safety or quality. Tractionel Maintenance Services was awarded a 5-year contract by Mbombela Maintenance Company to conduct the maintenance of Gautrain's OCD system. As a full range of critical spares is usually carried, we can affect emergency repairs, thus ensuring that downtime is kept to the absolute minimum. Other maintenance work includes a contract with City Power Johannesburg on an as and when required basis to conduct routine and ad hoc work on all their LV, MV, HV and streetlight networks. This contract has been renewed several times already and has been running continuously for the past 6 years.
At Tractionel Enterprise, we know that it takes teamwork to make a dream work.